Hey everybody, Va.Railfan here coming to you from Suffolk, Virginia. Looks like you got a Westbound, Norfolk Southern coming at you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I didn't hear a symbol on this one, everybody. So as soon as I find it, I'll pass it on. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed that video of that Westbound Norfolk Southern Intermodal train going through Suffolk. Thank you for watching. See you down the rails.